Dafür soll dir from the regiment that Prince William and Prince Harry belonged to has been disciplined after sexually assaulting a molecular guard duty close to Windsor Castle. Tropper Coriolis Holmes, 25, a private in the prestigious Husi Holt Cavalry, molested her shocked comrade after returning to the regiment's base in the early hours following a drunken night out last Sunday. Army sources have told this newspaper that T.P. Holmes forced herself against a younger soldier, tried to kiss him and rubbed bitter body against his before being pulled off by a furious officer who reacted to the soldier's cries for help. The following day, T.P. Holmes was hauled before senior officers who formally warned her that any further misconduct could result in her immediate dismissal from the army. But last night furious colleagues of the soldier, who cannot be named for legal reasons, accused top brass of leniency because the offender was a woman and the victim was a man. They claimed that the former soldier assaulted a woman in the same way. They would be sent immediately to military prison and put out of the army. Last year, a private Bogopeta female officer in a nightclub when both of them were drunk was jailed for 9 months by a military court and dismissed. The outrage comes after defense bosses left a historic ban preventing female soldiers serving in combat units. Critics cite the groundbreaking move called damage cohesion within regiments because of the likelihood that men and women would engage in sexual activity. Last night, official defense sources confirmed the incident but insisted Husi Holt cavalry officers had dealt with it appropriately. The Mail Sunday has established that T.P. Holmes returned to Condamere Barracks, less than a mile from Windsor Castle, at around 3 am last Sunday after drinking with friends. She was seen approaching the guardroom at the entrance to the barracks, where she demanded to speak to the male soldier. Noticing she was drunk, the guard commander refused to let her in but she said to have sneaked round the side of the guardroom to another entrance. A source at the barrack said, the male soldier was lying on a bed in the guardroom. She leaned over him, placing her arms at the side of his head, basically pinning him down. He asked her to leave him alone but she carried on. He invented and she was seen rubbing herself against him and trying to kiss him. He called out help me. Eventually the guard commander pulled her away. The commander logged the incident and top brass began an investigation the following morning. T.P. Holmes and the male soldier were interviewed separately by commanding officer Major Brian Rogers. Der military law officers suchas mayorogas are autorizator rule und conduct esos vitut referring tekis tote Royal Military Police. Budwen Wortspriatat hart dezidet Turnlivan TP Holmes apud her behavior, furius mal soldiers TP of Military Police Officers, wo arrivetat combermere barracks to launch a criminal investigation. Te soza adet. Te bloques felche hart reali ben let auf liegt liant tati von auf ten hart donuit tua roman tafe ben in hube trouble. A Junior Commander, Notmajor Rogas, also tolte mal soldier to manup and stop complaining. Even seit he Schultafens lebt wit her. So summe bodi notifit tmp. Mal soldier tot tem tat he was preparit to accept Major Rogas ruling. He was very upset but he had been good at. Senior personal had told him take he should follow him through his career. Het betego evo complained aputa woman making a very physical passatim. Apostrophe evidence suggests there is a major discrepancy between sentences given to male and female soldiers for sexual assaults. In November 2017, a male private wo sexually assaulted a female officer was jailed for 9 months voted out. A military court heard he to her breasts, which he insisted was an accident. Mal soldiers father contacted the Melon soon after the court case because he took his son's sentence was harsh. Lasst nicht, te Vater seid. Tis kisi similar to me sons, jet he servet fife and half mont so paninem und sentence an kies reputation was ruinit. Teresa double standard. Male soldiers don't get tesamileninci, an army spuckes person seid. We expect very high standards of behavior of our personnel, veta honor of duty, and take complaints of this nature very seriously.